What's up YouTube? What's up TikTok? Today we are gonna try to hug a tornado and twist it. Let's go! Also, thank you for getting my first 100 views on a video on TikTok, and thank you for the support on YouTube on my TikTok channel. And yeah, let's get into the video. We got a huge storm right here. They're really big, but it's at Starbucks. Yo, what does Starbucks have to do with this? Okay, let's try to go to Veroka though. Veroka, come on, let's go. It's gonna be like, what is this human gonna be like? I know there will be, my life will not every end. Hey guys, no one follow me. Just don't. Ow. Of course, Tiff2 follows me. Bro, he's gonna be like, so what? I'm gonna be like, sorry, I was in a giveaway and somebody gave me enough money for this, so I bought it. Gonna be like, gonna want to be like, what is it gotta be like? I know that's not mine, but we are not, guys, we are like just trying to die. Like, we are not honestly, I'm wondering if I should grab my worst vehicle so I could just die like that. Because I want to hurt the Tiff2, bro. This is my baby. / third. The Dominator 2 is actually my baby. I like this really a lot. Like, bro, he's my best friend. Like, this is my best friend. Gotta be like, oh, there's like 3 storms happening. Okay, let me stop the video and then when I'm inside the tornado. Ah! I got stuck in the tornado! Oh, I'm just surviving on foot. Okay, it's taking me in. I died. Bye-bye.